The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer. My life is my message. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. If we could change ourselves, the tendencies in the world would also change. As a man changes his own nature, so does the attitude of the world change towards him. We need not wait to see what others do. A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. First, they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Prayer is not asking, it's a longing of the soul. It is daily admission of one's weakness. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without a heart. It's health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. My religion is based on truth and non-violence. Truth is my God. Non-violence is the means of realizing Him. Permanent good can never be the outcome of untruth and violence. You don't know who is important to you until you actually lose them. It's easy to stand in the crowd, but it takes courage to stand alone. Seek not greater wealth, but simpler pleasure, not higher fortune, but deeper felicity. Our greatest ability as humans is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. Honest disagreement is often a good sign of progress. There is nothing that weighs the body like worry, and one who has any faith in God should be ashamed to worry about anything whatsoever. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is better and greater than a yes merely uttered to please, or what is worse, to avoid trouble. They cannot take away our self-respect if you do not give it to them. You can chain me, you can torture me, you can even destroy this body, but you will never imprison my mind. It's the quality of a work which pleases the God and not the quantity. Prayer is the key of the morning and the bolt of the evening. In a gentle way, you can shake the world.